Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode. In this one we are starting a very exciting project. Myself and my dad are going to go pick it up now in the back of the van. Fingers crossed it fits. Take a look at what I've brought on Facebook Marketplace. It's down here somewhere, apparently in the front garden.
You've arrived at your destination.
I reckon it's there. That's it. Hopefully I've got the right place.
Yeah, of course, can you tell? A little bit.
Got my dad with me as well, so he's gonna.
Do you think she'll go in there?
I reckon so.
I started following your thing and I saw you walking around doing all your talking. Yeah, so a lot's had to be moved, so and that's another reason we thought, do you know what?
It's got to go.
I love it to bits, but we've got this, we've got a gear, we can't do everything, you know.
There's a split screen, isn't it?
No, but an early bay.
Oh, okay, yeah.
On the crossover.
Oh yeah, I see the bumper there.
We've had her for 20 odd years, so the kids grew up going holidays, you know.
Yeah.
I love her. But so when we got the kids, they said, oh, "You're not selling that word, are you?" It was like, no. And they're upset about this one, but
it's going to a good
they're
home.
adults. It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I think it's going to a good home, so that's the main thing.
The only thing I forgot to bring is a wheel brace. Have you got something I can get the wheels off with?
Yeah, I'm sure you've got a wheel brace in one.
I would have thought you might have here.
As well. So what are we looking at?
19.
He's got everything.
Yeah.
But he's not here.
Well, if you could put me in the direction of a toolbox, I'm sure we'll be able to figure it out. I might have something in the van, so I think they're the same size nuts. Yeah, it's whether we can get in there because of the deep dish wheels. Floor pan in the back of the van. showing YouTubers how you can do everything with a wheel brace.
It's funny, isn't it? What you can. So they're taking it apart to get it in his van. Look, we've had it like, well, we worked it 17 years, but we've never finished it. So we've been doing it in 4 weeks. We finished run to the sun. What do you know? Don't you run to the sun in Cornwall? Have you ever done that?
What's that about then, Matt?
Oh, it's a show, Run to the Sun, from years ago, isn't it?
I'm thinking of a cycle to the sun, what I was meant to be doing.
Yeah, that's what you do, isn't it? No, with your Volkswagen, that's what I meant.
Celebratory cup of tea. Well guys, it's in, only just, but it's in, and as if like magic, it's somewhat packed in, so we're all good, let's go. Thank you very much.
See you later.
Bye. So there you go, if anybody wants to know, does a short wheelbase beach buggy fit in the back of a short wheelbase transporter? It does, kind of. We'll get back to the workshop, get it offloaded tomorrow. But we're on the way to the Cool Flow meet now, so catch us at the next episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on the beach buggy journey. Welcome back to part 2 where we can't get it out.
Wider, lower.